Hi, good morning, everyone. We'll start in 2 minutes.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, Bhaiya. Okay, it's 11. Shall we start, Bhaiya?
Yes,
Please,
please.
let's do that.
So, as usual, we will start with our national anthem and prayer.
इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। दूर अज्ञान के हों अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे। हर बुराई से बचते रहे हम, जितनी भी दे भली जिंदगी दे। बैर होना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन में बदले की होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम न सोचे हमें क्या मिला है, हम ये सोचे किया क्या है अर्पण। फूल खुशियों के बांटे सभी को, सबका जीवन ही बन जाए मधुबन। अपनी करुणा का जल तू बहा के, कर दे पावन हर एक मन का कोना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना।
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
With this,
We pledge that we will be world's biggest organization from India by March 2022. Thank you. Okay. Wow, good to see 450 people approximately here. Good. Okay, so today is again Sunday, and as you all know that we have a habit of declaring some big news on Sundays. Today we have two very important announcements to be done. I'll start with the first one, and then I'll invite someone who is very special, who has introduced Global Gardener to all. So I think he'll be the best person to introduce the rest of the things to you. But before we get into all these things, I would really like to congratulate and thank every member of this team, where today we are standing, we can clearly see that whatever mission we have set for us, that we want to be world's biggest organization from India, I think it is very near now. That vision is not blurred anymore. I can see more and more people are living a GG life now. So I just thought ki you should know what is startup ecosystem in India. We are also a startup, but what is the major difference between us and other startups in the country? It is really important for all of us to know, because many a times people compare ourselves with many of other startups. But I think we should know the core of Global Gardener. Why every time when I come and I say that we are a different, altogether a different company than the current startup ecosystem, I think these two slides will let you know why I say so. So what I have done is, a few days back, I got one very good informative chart, which I have tried to put in my presentation. And then I'm just telling you what this chart means to all of us. So first of all, there would be a startup name, their revenue, their expenses, and their net losses. Why I have not kept particularly a profit bracket? Because none of the startup in India today have booked their profits. And you better know that what Global Gardener has already achieved, right? So let's talk about Cred. I think everybody knows, because from Anil Kapoor to everybody is talking about Cred. They are doing very mass marketing right now. Their revenue is only 52 lakh rupees. Revenue is only 52 lakh. That means we selling 100 UPAs. Understand where you stand and where these companies who have built so much around buzz around themselves, but the revenue, because end of the day, when we talk about business, business means revenue, and business means end of the day profit. But you just see, to generate a revenue of 52 lakh rupees, they have done an expense of 378 crore rupees. 378 crore rupees. So their net loss is approximately 60 crores. And mind it, अब यहाँ पे people might think कि यार ये 18 crore रुपए कहाँ से आ गया इनके पास, because net revenue was 52 lakh rupees. Because the money they have received from the investors, they have done an FD, and on that FD the interest is more than the revenue. I hope you are able to understand what I'm trying to pull the point, right? So the FD return are more than the revenue of the company, right? Then Khata book, to generate a revenue of 0 rupees, zero, absolutely zero, they have done an expense of 126 crores. Paytm, the most popular name. Revenue is 3,281 crores, but the expense 6,226 crores. So net loss is approximately 3,000 crores. Same ways, Big Basket, 3,787 crores, expenses 4,411 crores. Still a net loss of 610 crores. You talk about any big name from PhonePe to Udaan to Unacademy, everybody is bleeding money. Everybody is bleeding money. Not only these, 1mg, Dunzo, Fasos, Delivery, Snapdeal, Meesho, Cars24, none of these startups in India today are making money and booking profits. What does this mean to us? What does this mean to us? Can anybody just write into the chat box? I just want to know what is there in your mind. दिल से सुनिए, हिंदी इंग्लिश सब समझ में आएगा मेरा. Byju's is making profit. Okay. Who said? Okay, HughesCope. First of all, this means when we talk about our IPO, people will look at our profits, right? A common person will like to invest in Global Garner because he can clearly see that what is the revenue of the company and what is the profit. So first thing is, because we are planning for our IPO, so therefore the books that we will maintain will be on a profit side, first thing. Second, we are not even 0.5% of what we want to be. We are not even 0.5% of what we want to be. But you are seeing what numbers we are fetching. Just imagine the day we achieve our 9 lakh UPOS number. Profits will be really high. Secondly, the IPO which we will bring will help us to expand across the world, not only in India. And again, people are always and always inclined towards investing in a profitable company. So by these two slides, I just wanted to tell you that we are a totally different species. Don't compare ourselves with any other startup, because we have a very simple and clear philosophy that we want to move ahead with profits. We have no intention of just keep on investing and making losses. Therefore, in just 4 years of operation, and in which 2 years were disaster for this company, still we have booked profits. Why I'm saying again and again profit? Because it's a very big thing for any startup to book profit in such an early stage. If you see, Oyo Rooms have filed their insolvency. Why? Because unless they are not getting new funds, you talk about any company on the chart. Even somebody said that Byju's is profitable. Still, Byju's is raising money. Today, startup has become not to run the business, but the business itself is a selling point. They are selling their business. We are not here to sell our business. Our business is to sell, but we are not here to sell our business. Therefore, the philosophy is different. They want to invest, they want to acquire user at cost. So I think now, to take you further, I think now the first announcement is there. So I would like to invite Ramesh Bhai to introduce that person who will take us to that next milestone of ours and take things forward. Over to Ramesh Bhai.
Thank you very much, Vikas. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to yet another exciting Sunday. The first one in the financial year 21-22. I am very happy to note that there are 500 people in the audience today, as of now. Great news indeed. Are we geared up for more than this, Vikas?
Sorry?
Oh, yeah. Have we increased our limit from 500 to 1,000?
Yeah, I have done, but I think it is not.
No, it is not allowing. It is not
it is
allowing
not
people
allowing.
to join.
Okay, those people who are not able to log in, please do watch us on Facebook. We are live right now. Okay, first of all, it's the 4th birthday of the release of the app on which all of us have now become so used. Perhaps many of us use the GG app more than we use WhatsApp today, just to keep in touch with what is happening. 4 years have gone by, and this app has developed from a small little application to a giant one. Today, the app is as good as the apps employed by giants like Amazon and Flipkart. But this is a company that does not rest on its laurels. This is a company which always moves forward. And therefore, ladies and gentlemen, we are developing a completely new app. We are already recruiting people across India to work at our Bangalore Software Center to bring in an absolutely new app. Yes, it'll take some time, but by the time the app is ready, our increased business will also be ready to meet that app. So that's the first great news this morning, that it's the 4th birthday and it's also the beginnings of a new, improved, totally modern app. Today, one big announcement that we have to make is that, yes, we have in principle decided that Global Garner will go in for an IPO somewhere in 2021. Now, what exactly is an IPO? An IPO means an initial public offering. Now, what does this do for a company? It brings in a lot of funds. It helps the existing shareholders to exit from some of their funds. And yes, it brings in a tremendous amount of credibility in the financial markets. This is a very, very technical subject. It's a very, very complex exercise that one has to go through. One has to keep in mind the brand value of the company, the guidelines given by SEBI, and of course, the registrar of companies. Now, to give you an idea of what the IPO world is all about, Burger King recently launched their IPO, and their IPO got oversubscribed by a whopping 156 times. Oh yes, 156 times. Barbecue Nation recently went for their IPO, and they got oversubscribed by 6 times. Now, this has to be managed so minutely that a smallest mistake can cost a company dearly. Kalyan Jewelers went through an IPO, which was oversubscribed by about 2.5 times. But immediately thereafter, their shares fell simply because something was mismanaged. So you do need somebody who will help this organization not only prepare for an IPO, launch it, but to take care of the legal implications of this IPO. It might interest you, ladies and gentlemen, to know that Mr. Radhakrishna Damania, I bet you don't know who he is. Okay, Radhakrishna Damania is the owner of DMart. Now, that is something very familiar to all of you. This has just 112 stores in the country. How many are we thinking about? How many Granges are we going to have? This has got, that's right. This has got 112 stores in the company, in this country. And you know what? Mr. Radhakrishna Damania, day before yesterday, bought for himself a small bungalow. Small, well, I don't know. A small bungalow in Mumbai's Malabar Hills for just 1,000 crores. Just 1,000 crores. Now, those of us who are looking at Grange, and thinking, small kirana store. Look at what Mr. Damania has done. 1,000 crores. Okay. Now look at this and start thinking, should I wear long-sighted glasses or should I continue to wear short-sighted glasses? Well, ladies and gentlemen, to come back to our IPO, the gentleman, the organization to which we have handed over this prestigious account of handling our initial public offering is an organization called Keyur J. Shah and Associates. It's an Ahmedabad-based company which specializes in legal due diligence, IPO compliances, and of course, insolvency matters. The gentleman who's the founder and heads the organization is Mr. Keyur Shah. Keyur Shah has 17 years of experience behind him, and he has been behind some very successful IPO launches like GSS Infotech, Nandan Denim, Kiri Industries, and so on and so on. Today, he is also he also has an associate with him, a wonderful lady, a lady with both beauty and brains, Prachi. Prachi is a qualified company secretary. She's focused on legal and financial matters for the company. She is a valuation expert, and she is, of course, completely conversant with the startup ecosystem. She will be our point of contact as far as Mayur J. Shah and Associates is concerned. Mr. Mayur Shah is not feeling very well today. And Prachi, I think, is already here. Is she here, Vikas?
Yes, she's there.
Yeah, she's there, and Keyur Bhai is also there. He's on Zoom.
Keyur Bhai is also here?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, fantastic. I would now request our CMD Vikas Rawat to hand over the agreement that we have entered into between Global Garner and Keyur J. Shah and Associates to Mr. Keyur Shah and to Prachi.
Okay. Before I get into all this, I think it's again a big moment for all of us, because when we started that, we always said that we will get into an IPO, we will get into an IPO. But we never knew that, I always thought it will be 2022 when we'll achieve all those numbers, then we will go for it. But I think the day has come, and I have gained that confidence that we will surely achieve our numbers, whatever we are thinking. So this is a big news for our shareholders that today we are appointing Keyur Shah and Company for this big responsibility. And I wanted them to be part of this meeting just to see what responsibility now they are carrying on their shoulders. So first of all, let's sign it, and then we'll hear Keyur Bhai also.
I'm sure those of us who are on video can definitely applaud this historic moment when we take our first step for the initial public offering.
To everyone. So we have just signed this for all of you. Huh? Thank you.
I would now like to request the man of the moment, our hero, Keyur Bhai, to talk to us about what an IPO means to all of us. Keyur Bhai.
Good morning, everyone. I hope I'm audible.
Yeah, Keyur Bhai.
Yeah. So as Ramesh Bhai has already explained what is the IPO and how it is important to all of you. To brief in layman language, this IPO will unlock the value and potential of the company in long run. So not only you are owner of the company, you will also be able to trade the shares whenever needed. So that will bring a lot of value and benchmarking to the shares of the company. So it is not only that the value, whatever is given by the company is accepted, it will be on the boards of stock exchange. So it will be considered by all as the value which you can easily liquidate. So that is a very big thing. And as Vikas ji has already mentioned, that not all startups are so compatible and competent to bring the public issues, because startups are typically funded by the private equities only because they are not eligible for IPOs. So this company in that way is a very different company which can access capital markets, which itself is a very good thing. And secondly, the funds which I am given to understand are to be used for international expansion. So considering that if in this short duration, what Global Garner has done in India, just imagine that if more funds are infused and if we can have international access, what would be the fate of the company in long run? So this will not only give you the liquidity and benchmarking, it will also multifold the value of the company. So I believe it is a great step and great honor to assist the company in this great initial of public offering stage, and I will be honored to serve the company. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Keyur bhai. We are we're depending completely on your expertise and your complete know-how of what is happening in India's corporate world today. I'm sure your advice and your consultations with us will help us launch, and not only launch, but to maintain the very high rate at which this company is growing. We are also very honored that we are with you. And we are also honored that we have such an experienced IPO consultant with us. We look forward to a great innings with you.
Thank you, Ramesh ji.
तो दोस्तों, कुछ लोगों को ये शायद समझ में आया, कुछ लोगों को नहीं भी आया. मैं ये चाहूंगा कि मेरे छोटे भाई और मेरे अजीज दोस्त रमन भैया हम सबको हिंदी में ये समझाए कि केयूर भाई हमसे क्या बात कर रहे थे.
धन्यवाद भैया, थैंक यू सो मच केयूर भाई. आज हम सबके लिए एक बहुत बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट दिन है. मैं ये जानता हूं आने वाले दशकों में जब कभी ग्लोबल गार्नर की स्टोरी लिखी जाएगी तो ये जो दिन है ये हम सेलिब्रेट करेंगे. लाइक वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग अवर ऐप बर्थडे, लाइक ये दिन भी सेलिब्रेट किया जाएगा. दोस्तों, जिन लोगों ने ये जानना चाहा था कि विकास भैया अंग्रेजी में क्या बोल गए, मैं बहुत ज्यादा नहीं बताऊंगा, सिंपल ये बताऊंगा कि आज तक भारत में जितने भी स्टार्टअप आए हैं अभी तक हमें वो कोई ऐसा स्टार्टअप दिखा नहीं जो प्रॉफिट में आया हो इतनी फास्ट, या जो मार्केट से पैसा इकट्ठा, इन्वेस्टर से पैसा इकट्ठा करने की होड़ में ना लगा हुआ हो. ज्यादा से ज्यादा स्टार्टअप्स का उद्देश्य ये रहता है कि उनको जो वो काम कर रहे हैं वो नहीं करना, लेकिन वो अपनी कंपनी की एक वैल्यूएशन बिल्ड करके उस कंपनी को बेचना होता है. ग्लोबल गार्नर एकमात्र ऐसी कंपनी है जो अपने आप में बिल्कुल अलग है. हमें 4 साल हुए हैं, जिसमें हमने 4 सालों में 2 साल अपने एक बहुत खराब समय में निकालने के बावजूद भी हम प्रॉफिट मेकिंग कंपनी है. दुनिया में कोई भी इन्वेस्टर होगा वो सिर्फ उस कंपनी में इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए खुश होता है जो पहली बात प्रॉफिट मेकिंग हो, दूसरा उसका वैल्यूएशन स्ट्रांग हो. ऑफ कोर्स अगर प्रॉफिट मेकिंग है तो उसका वैल्यूएशन भी स्ट्रांग होगा. ग्लोबल गार्नर एक ऐसी कंपनी है जिसमें ये दोनों चीजें हैं. हमारा वैल्यूएशन बहुत बड़ा है. वो 6680 करोड़ जो हमने सितंबर में किया था, आज अगर हम करें तो केयूर भाई उस दिन हंसते हंसते हमको बता रहे थे ये फिगर आपको समझ में नहीं आएगी, इतनी बड़ी है. तो वो हम जब अप्रोप्रिएट समय आएगा वो तब आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे, दोबारा वैल्यूएशन करेंगे. लेकिन अभी हम we are the only company which is profit making, and we are the only company which is profit making के साथ साथ बहुत हाईली वैल्यूड कंपनी है, तो हम किसी भी इन्वेस्टर की पहली चॉइस होंगे, किसी भी इन्वेस्टर जो इसमें हमारे शेयर खरीदना चाहेगा। हमको हम डे वन से हमने कभी भी किसी इन्वेस्टर को बुलाया ही नहीं, हम किसी के पास गए नहीं। अब सवाल आता है कि ये मेरे लिए क्यों रेलेवेंट है, क्योंकि हम सब लोग, हम जो 6,500 लोग 7,000 लोग हैं, हम सारे के सारे एक दिन इस कंपनी के शेयर होल्डर होने वाले हैं। जैसे विकास भैया ने आपको डे वन से वो कह रहे हैं कि 20% ऑफ द शेयर्स ऑफ दिस कंपनी, इस कंपनी का 20% हिस्सा, इस कंपनी के 20% मालिकाना हक, इसको मैं बहुत साधारण, मालिकाना हक जो है वो इस कंपनी की लीडरशिप को जाएंगे और उसके लिए कोई पैसा नहीं लिया जाएगा। ये दूसरी बहुत बड़ी बात है कि उसके लिए कोई पैसा नहीं लिया जाएगा। ये प्योरली और प्योरली उस लीडर की वर्किंग या उस लीडर की परफॉर्मेंस के बदले में उसको दिया जाएगा। हम क्यूर भाई से पूछ रहे थे कि ये क्यूर भाई हमको 10-10 शेयर मिले हैं, 10 शेयर क्या होते हैं? अब मेरे वर्ग का बुद्धू आदमी तो 10 शेयर का मतलब 10 रुपए समझ बैठेगा कि 10 रुपए मेरी जेब में है। तो उन्होंने ये समझाया कि जिस दिन हम मार्केट में जाएंगे, आईपीओ लेके जाएंगे, तो ये 10 शेयर 10 नहीं रहने वाले, ये 100 या हजारों में तब्दील हो जाएंगे, क्योंकि हमारी वैल्यू इतनी ज्यादा हो गई। हमारे अपने जो 5 लाख शेयर है वो शायद 50 करोड़ या कितने बहुत बड़े करने पड़ेंगे, और उसी के हिसाब से आप लोगों के शेयर अपने आप बढ़ जाएंगे, क्योंकि आप उतने परसेंटेज के मालिक हैं। आपके पास वो 10 शेयर वो उतनी परसेंटेज के हिसाब से बढ़ जाएंगे। तो आप सोच सकते हैं आपके लिए ये क्या मतलब रखता है। हम दिवाली के नजदीक आईपीओ लाने की बात कर रहे हैं, और क्यूर भाई हैज प्रॉमिस्ड कि वो दिवाली के नजदीक डेफिनेटली वो आईपीओ ले आएगा, और इस बार की दिवाली हम सब के लिए बहुत यादगार दिवाली होने वाली है। थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक्स अ लॉट भैया।
Thank you, Raman Bhaiya. Friends, the second big thing that we would like to talk about today is something that this company has believed in right from the day it started. This company has believed in rewarding performance. It has believed that anybody who does any work for the company should not only be suitably, but be generously rewarded. Today, we are going to salute the working of one individual who rose completely beyond the ordinary and became extraordinary. This gentleman, after a lot of persuasion, decided to attend the first meeting we had of all of us in February in Ahmedabad. Now, he came with a very rich background. He is a BBM graduate, but he hails from a middle class, very, very ordinary family. Ordinary is not the right word, a very unique family, because this family trained him to be a leader. He joined Junior Chamber International's Indian branch as an ordinary member and rose to become the national president of 46,000 people in 2011. He became the international vice president of Junior Chamber International 1 year later. A very, very widely traveled man, a person who believes that his work should speak more than his speech. He came to Ahmedabad. Those 4 days, he was completely silent. On the 4th day, he just told me, Ramesh sir, I am in. What is next? And in March, he launched his state's operations for Global Ghana. On the 14th of March, I still remember, he told the assembled gathering of approximately 100 people that my state, my company, today there's no difference. I am Global Garner. And then he said that my state will always be number one with Global Garner. He proved it. He became the first executive director. Almost all his master channel partners have become regional directors. Many of his channel partners have become directors, and many, to go right down the line, many of his partners have become assistant channel partners and so on. A very, very humble person. He is a farmer, basically, a nice little farmhouse a few kilometers away from his hometown. And he also is a partner in a company that converts petrol to LPG. What exactly is the honor going to be? How exactly are we going to reward this gentleman? It will be very difficult for Global Garner to repay the debt of gratitude it owes to this man, because he showed the whole of India what leadership is all about. He showed the whole of this country what one determined individual can do. A master at delegation, a leader true to his instincts, and a person who has always been a visionary. Ladies and gentlemen, I think it's the privilege of our CMD to announce what he has in store for this wonderful young man.
Thank you, Ramesh bhai. I think, as Ramesh bhai rightly said, we cannot repay what he has done for Global Garner. But yes, it's a small token of thanks. And as always, Global Garner has a habit of rewarding people on their performance. This we thought is the right time to we are not rewarding him. If you really see through my eyes, we are not rewarding him. We are again asking a favor from him. We are again saying, yes, we need you more than any time. Like, this is the high time now. Global Garner requires his support. Though he himself says that now he's living 100% GG life, he is 100% dedicated towards GG's operation. He is somebody who has a great vision about Global Garner. I think he is the perfect example what we want our state head or maybe any person in GG to be. Because whenever we think of something, he is already thinking and he is already working on it. The best part of this man is I have not seen him talking too much. I have seen him working too much. Whatever he says is already done. And I hope you all know that he has already said that his team alone will do 50% of what Global Garner is aiming, which is 4.5 lakh UPOS. Just to even say this, I know that it requires a lot of guts, because this man is the person who has delivered every time whatever he has said. Very rightly said by Ramesh bhai. On very first day, he said, my team will be number one in the country. Though he never knew who are the other team members, what are the geographical advantage, disadvantage, come what may. He just said that we will be number one. And till today, since he has started his operation, he is number one in the company. So it's my privilege to introduce the new sales head, a national sales head of Global Garner to all of you. He is none other than Mr. Balavedam. So he is the national sales head for all verticals in Global Garner now. He will take care of all verticals. So anyways, he is doing 4.50% of the target he and his team is doing. So now the rest of India will and the rest of the verticals will do 4.5 lakh UPOSs. And not only this, as promised few months back, he will also be part of Global Garner's board. So Balu, and this is not a favor that we are doing. We are now becoming more lalchi. We want more from you. So this is again a big time support we want you to give to Global Gardener. We know that you are living a GG life, but now GG needs you more than anything else, right? So now you have to create many more Balus across the country. So now I don't have words, but I would like Ramesh bhai to take it further. But before I take it further, there are two more things that I want to tell. Balu will not be alone. We will give him 4 supports. And what we have done is we have divided India into 4 zones. The first zone would be East zone. Then second would be West, North, and finally the South. And just to tell you, of course, these micro level things will be told to you by your state heads. But we are also, this is again a surprise for all of you. We are also opening 6 new branches by July 2021. So these branches will again help our team to achieve those numbers and get all the support they require in their local zones. So all these zones will be having new offices as decided by Balu, because I think this news is a surprise to Balu also. So over to Ramesh bhai. Now you can take care of it.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, we go across live to Erode, where we see Balu flanked by his master channel partners. I request the senior most master channel partner, J. Deen Dayalan, and the others to please honor Balu. And then, of course, I will, after the honoring is over, I will request the oldest master channel partner in age and the youngest in spirit to say a few words.
I think, JD, you are on mute, I guess. You have to unmute yourself.
Yeah.
Still, you are not unmuted.
Whichever is the camera holding this, yeah, the one opposite, yeah. Team Tamil Nadu, please also understand that Balu continues to be your state head. Don't forget that.
Still you are on unmute. You are not this on mute only. I think the
camera that is facing us.
Yes.
Which is the camera that is facing us?
Just hold on.
Are we allowing them to unmute?
Acha, just hold on. Just hold on. Yeah, please unmute.
Balu, 1 minute.
Unmute.
Unmute now.
Yeah, unmuted.
Done.
Okay. JD, go ahead. JD, go ahead.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, first.
Great corner for the Global Gardener Tamil Nadu. Now we are honoring the new sales setup Global Gardener of
I think you have again muted.
Yeah. May I now request JD to say a few words?
JD, you have to first unmute. Just unmute the mic that you want. I think there are 2.
Yeah.
Now you can go
Thank
ahead.
you, sir.
Please go
Thank
ahead.
you, sir. On behalf of the Global Gardener family of Tamil Nadu, we thank each and everyone for believing us. Our state get to promoted as a sales kit for Global Gardener India. Really, we are bottom of heart. Each and every member of from Tamil Nadu, we are very happy. Become our state head, become as a sales kit. Definitely now our responsibility is not only for the 4.5 lakhs, the whole 9 lakhs UPAS in our head, in our team. Definitely we will have it, sir. No problem. These are responsibilities more. We have work more and hard more. Thank you for giving the great opportunity. because we are the foremost runner-up Global Garner family. He is the first pan-India director. He produces the more than triple-digit shareholders in Tamil Nadu, and we are having the more than 1,300 UPAs in our family. Definitely, the Global Garner, under his able leadership, definitely we will do it. In future endeavors, definitely our dream will come true, not only for Tamil Nadu, it's all over India. The total Global Garner family depends on his taking the leadership from him, and for his words and guidance, definitely we will do it with the stipulated time. Thank you for the opportunity for Ramesh sir and Raman sir. The great thanks to our CEO Vikas sir and Tanu madam, giving the great opportunity for Tamil Nadu. Definitely we will show and rock the before March 2022. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, JD. Incidentally, ladies and gentlemen, that is the training center of Global Garner in Tamil Nadu, place where everybody is seated. I would now like to request somebody who's been a great follower of Balu, somebody who's very faithfully followed every footstep that Balu has taken and has become himself a great success as far as Global Garner is concerned. Fondly known as Deva, may I request Devraj to say a few words. Yeah, you'll have to wait for Vikas to unmute you for a second, please.
Deva, you are on which ID?
Yeah, he is not on my Devraj.
Must be Karnataka.
No, Karnataka.
DG Karnataka.
Somehow, there is Neil DG Karnataka. Should I unmute this?
Not him. That will be Neil separately.
Okay.
Okay, while Deva comes online, may I request another very senior state head, our state head from Madhya Pradesh, Keshav Vaishya, to say a few words.
सर थैंक यू वेरी मच आपने जो है मुझे आज अपॉर्चुनिटी दी है इस अवसर पे कुछ बोलने के लिए। हम सब लोग रियली हमारे बहुत अच्छे मित्र हैं और उनको इतना बड़ा जो है आज आप लोगों ने जो है उनके लिए विचार किया और उनको एक अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया। और निश्चित रूप से हमको भी विश्वास है कि अब बालू जी की सेवाएं अब निरंतर हमको भी मिल सकेंगी और हमारा स्टेट भी जो है तमिलनाडु की तरह परफॉर्म कर सकेगा। हमें विश्वास है बालू जी अब जो है तरीके से देंगे। मैं एक बार अपनी तरफ से बालू जी को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूं उनके उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए। ग्लोबल गार्नर के जो है जो IPO आने वाला है उसके लिए भी मैं जो है बहुत दिल से जो है तहे दिल शुभकामनाएं देता हूं और ये हमारे लिए बड़ी खुशी की बात है। पहली जो है कि हमारा ग्लोबल गार्नर आज 1 साल के अंदर ही IPO लाने की स्टेज में आ गया। रियली we are very happy.
Thank you so much, Keshav Bhaiya. Ladies and gentlemen, there has been one unique bond between Balu and one gentleman at the head office. From the moment that he and Balu met, he has done anything and everything for Balu. You ask him to get up at 2 o'clock in the morning to help Balu out, he will do it. But for the rest of us, he doesn't do that very often. But for Balu, it is something very special. May I request one director of Global Garner to welcome another director of Global Garner. May I request Karan to say a few words.
First of all, congratulations, Bala sir. He doesn't require any introduction, as well as he is well recognized figure in a Global Garner. He is known for his wonderful administrator and high achievement in Global Garner. He's always been the initiator for anything new happening in a Global Garner. Always lead the GG the new heights. He has molded the life of people and served people with his kindness, whether it is own team member or members of GG. I don't have words to say right now. Congratulations, sir. And welcome to the team.
Thank you so much, Karan. Do we have Devraj on here? Is Devraj present?
I couldn't. I'm
He's
not able to-
usually GG Karnataka.
Yeah, I'm just searching. It was there, but now it is not there. Should I call him?
He's having internet connectivity. He said he will join. He's trying to join, right?
Okay.
He'll join in what?
GG Karnataka. That will be his ID. GG Karnataka.
Okay. It would not be right to go ahead with the rest of the next item on the agenda until they was able to make it. So let's give ourselves a small 1 minute interval until Deva joins us. Neil, can you just check if he's able to join or not? If he is, then we'll wait for him. Otherwise, we'll move forward.
I think we should move.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, another gentleman who has followed Balu very faithfully and has seen ample rewards happening in his own state is another distinguished state head from Kerala, Santosh Kumar. May I request you to felicitate Balu.
Yeah, Santosh bhai, now you can unmute. Santosh bhai, please unmute.
Thank you, Ramesh sir and Vikas ji, for this wonderful opportunity. Today is not only a happy moment for Balu and team Tamil Nadu, but it is a happiest moment for all of us, entire GG family, pan India, because Balu's contributions were throughout these days. It was not only for Tamil Nadu. Whenever we required the help of Balu or anybody from Tamil Nadu, we always got the help and support to grow. So his policy is not only grow GG Tamil Nadu, but also the entire pan India GG. So he's the right person to take charge of the entire sales process of Global Garner across the country. And I share the happiness of myself and all my team members, all MCPs, CPs and HCPs in Kerala in the appointment of Balu. And let me wish all the very best for all the future endeavors of Balu as an individual and in Global Garner. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Santosh. I will now request Balu to say a few words.
Sir.
Yes, Balu, go ahead.
Sir, hope I am audible, sir.
Yes, you are. Go ahead.
Hello.
Balu, but your camera is off.
Sir, hope I am audible.
Yes, but we can't see you.
Okay, sir. I'll switch on the. Now it's
go ahead, please. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, perfect.
Sir, thank you, Vikas sir, Raman sir, and Ramesh sir for the great opportunity. I think I will try to do my best to deliver. It is the happiest moment, but it is more a little bit feeling pressure because of the responsibility. Definitely, I will try to do my best, level best, to uplift Global Garner and fulfill the dreams of Vikas sir and each and every member of Global Garner at the earliest possible. Thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you very much, Balu. Ladies and gentlemen, it will probably interest you to know that I was the national president in 1988 of JCI India, and I set a record of 41,000, or was it 42,000 JCs across the country at that time. It's 23 years later, 2011, when he was the national president, that Balu broke that record. So Balu knows what pressure is. Balu knows what performance is. Balu also knows what breaking records is all about. So I'm sure, Balu, you will rise to the occasion as you've always done. And Global Garner will grow very largely to the efforts that you, your team puts in. It has been a fantastic morning, ladies and gentlemen, so far. 2 major announcements have happened, and this is also a signal to all of us. Every one of you present here today, the honeymoon is over. Yes, those good old days when we could just say, "Theek hai, chalta hai," those days are over. Now, all of us need to put our shoulders together and start working, because great rewards are in store for us if we work, if and when we work. And for this, every one of us has to put in an effort. You just can't let go by and say, okay, somebody else is putting the effort, I'll enjoy the rewards. It doesn't happen like that. And especially in Global Garner, it does not happen at all. Only people who work, only people who perform really get the rewards. It's been a fantastic morning. Let me request our CEO designate, Tanushree Rawat, to formally thank all of us for this wonderful morning.
Thank you, Bhaiya. Now we have come to the end of the meeting, but this is just the end of the meet, because it marks the beginning of a new era for Global Garner. Last year was a successful year, and the credit goes to all of you. But this financial year, we have to break all the records collectively. We have to work even harder to break all the records and achieve much, much higher heights. And we have to achieve our dream to be world's biggest organization by March 22. So we have to just aim towards it. Ladies and gentlemen, like we have already left a year behind, and we have witnessed a huge transformation from being a small startup to a profit-making organization. Though the period was very tough in terms of economy because of COVID reasons, but then also we have achieved our objective. But this year is more precious because what we have achieved last year, that was only the start. But what we aim to achieve this year is quite big. We should aim to create a remarkable difference in economy. वो बोलते हैं ना कि देश का बच्चे को पता होना चाहिए what is Global Garner. Now only a limited people knows what is Global Garner. But our aim for this financial year is to be like this, कि everybody should know what is Global Garner. So, and we started this journey 5 years back. I think everybody knows. And today we also mark the anniversary of our application. But we should not be satisfied with what we have achieved till now. It says like this now, we have miles and miles to go before we sleep. So we have much and much more responsibility. Before thanking all of you, I would like to congratulate Mr. Bala. So congratulations from my side. Then moving forward, I would like to thank all of you, those who are associated with us, State Head, Master Channel Partners, ACP, CPs, Partner, all our UPOS owners, all our users, all our staff, all our directors, everybody, those who have shown faith in Global Garner. Past was really tough, but I'm really thankful to all of you, because all of you have shown trust in Global Garner. Past was tough, and even future is also a bit tough. But rather than losing nerve, everybody marched forward and achieved our aim. But now the responsibility has increased for everybody. This year is going to be tough, I think, for everybody. But we have to achieve lot and lot more, because this year we will see more. This year will be the period for more opportunities. This period will be the period for more responsibilities, for more growth, because we are planning to bring IPO in this year only. So we all should work hard and harder to create this IPO to be one of the successful IPO in the history of all the startups of the country. So first aim is to create this IPO as a successful IPO. Everybody should take the name of Global Garner when it comes to startup IPO for the country. Then like everybody knows what is the global Garner goal for the and global Garner vision and goal, that we have to be world's biggest organization by March 22. So it is never possible without the trust, without the contribution of all of you. I want to thank each and everybody who is associated in any form of with us, and I would like to thank all of you personally and on behalf of the board of Global Garner for being a part of Global Garner and showing trust in us. Thanks a lot. Bhaiya, you are on mute.
Yeah, coming. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I have a message from Devraj saying that since internet issues are there, he's not been able to log in. And yes, of course, he conveys his congratulations to Balu on this elevation. He also would like to thank Global Garner for a fantastic year and is looking forward to great things in the future. The spirit of Global Garner is indeed something that is not easily explained. You have Anup Mundra, state head of Chhattisgarh and Orissa, in bed with COVID and still working 24/7. You have Lalit Jobanputra right now sleeping in a hospital bed, still listening to this meeting. You have hundreds of examples like this. People who are now part of the Global Garner Nasha. When are you all going to get addicted? The sooner you do, the sooner miracles will happen. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for this fantastic morning, and look forward to Sundays when we have something really big to announce. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.